You are going to a new city, or starting college, or whatever new place you're about to go, and you are alone. As human beings, we are social creatures, and yes, you have your social media friends, but you still get bored most of the time. You want real-life friends to have some fun and enjoy new life and new experiences. Here are some tips on how to make friends and influence people. And of course, if you like this video, we appreciate if you press the like button and subscribe. Now let's jump right into it. First of all, worrying about your social media life won't change anything, so try to relax. Think positively instead of punishing yourself with negative thoughts. You will have an easier time attracting friends if you are kind and at the meantime, respect your own self. Replace those thoughts with something like, what is the worst thing that would happen if I approach people? I am sure you are strong enough to handle it and never stop trying. Compliment the people. We should always compliment people in a right way, but the main thing is that the compliment shouldn't be fake. Compliment someone only if it's real and you also feel the same. Imagine a man who looks like Amitabh Bachchan in the counter receiving clients, but a little fat, and there is a boy paying the electricity bill, and he is in a rush. There is a long line. He goes straight to the counter, passing everyone. He says,
"Uncle, I want to tell you something."
Without waiting for his reply, he directly says,
"Uncle, you look exactly like Amitabh Bachchan, especially your beard and your hairstyle."
The man stared at the boy for a minute and took him to the office and told him,
I'm a great fan of Amitabh Bachchan. It takes 20 minutes that I comb my hair and beard. In 20 years, no one told me that.
The man said and did the paperwork. Everyone was happy. Remembering the name of someone. Sometimes it is important if you pay attention to the small details. Let's say you meet two new classmates and a few days later you get to see them again. You approach the first one and you say, "Hey, you forgot their name, so awkward moment, right?" But when you see the second one, you say, "Hey, Hazanat." Better than the first scene, right? Be a good listener. Encourage others to talk about themselves. You're probably not going to keep many good people in your life if the way you make friends is by talking all about yourself. It is in human nature that people love to be heard. Why? Because they feel important. Be honest, sincere, and appreciative. Learn how to be sincere of what you have in your life. If you do so, then you will appreciate each small thing that life gives you. When your friend offers you something, or calls you, or wants to hang out with you, that means they care about you. Accept it with all of your heart. This is how you show appreciation, and in result, you will have a strong bond with your friend. Make the first move. Don't expect people to come up and interact with you and make their first move. Fear of being judged for not being good enough takes away the confidence to interact with new people. So sometimes you have to make the first move. Okay, so now you made it to the end of the video. You're worth millions of friends because you are trying so hard, and people who left you, they don't deserve your friendship. And I am sure you will find the best people in your life.